Hi, so I took a look at this, and this one is sort of working, but um, I noticed that's not really attached there um, properly because it just parented in, and then this one's flying off. So I thought I would just take a couple steps back and then just bind them normally. And although, and then in the process, I discovered that just hide the surfaces. That this isn't really working. That should be moving the foot, and it's not. So I have to kind of rebuild that. I'm not sure what happened. I thought originally I'm going to do reveal selected and shift click, put that open. I thought that maybe these IK handles were disabled or something, so I tried to go to skeleton, enable selected IK handles, but then it's still not working. So also, you'll notice if you look at this one, reveal selected. Oops. Oh, I guess that is that. And click that open. You'll notice how this has the toe IK, the ankle IK, and the ball IK, and this one doesn't have the toe IK. It's missing that one entirely. So let's fix the binding first, and then we'll fix that other stuff. Or, you know what, since I got this open, let's fix this first right now. So I'm just going to kind of match this one to what's happening here. So I'm going to start with this one. I'm just going to recreate this stuff. I'll just click here and then Control C to copy the name. And then I can see that this is parented to this ankle node, so I'm going to delete that and then create it again. Skeleton, IK handle tool, click here, and then paste that name in, and then it's right down here, so I can just middle mouse drag that up to the ankle. Okay, and that's parented in. Let's repeat that for the ball. Copy the name, delete it, skeleton, IK handle tool, that should go from the ankle, from the ankle to the ball, and let's parent that to the let's just paste the name here first. We can see on this one the ball IK ball is parented to the toe pivot, right? So middle mouse drag that up. Does that look right? Yeah, I think so. And then we need this toe one, which just seems to be gone entirely from this other group, and maybe that's has something to do with it. I don't know what happened. That got it messed up. But anyways, skeleton, IK handle tool, from the ball to the toe. I'll paste that name, but then I grabbed the name from the right one, so I gotta switch this to left. L for left. And then, so on this one we can see that toe IK is parented to the toe, so let's drag that up here. Okay, now when I grab this, the foot's moving with it, and also we can see this roll function if I use this, just to compare it to this one. See how that's working there, and this is working here. Good. Okay, now back to binding. So let's do a couple things. I'm going to turn everything off and turn on just surfaces, so these are easy to select. And actually, you have these groups already, which is good. So what is this constraint? It's constrained to the heel pivot, that group. That's interesting. I'm going to delete that. And what is this parented to? Okay, that's parented to the foot. So I'm going to grab this group, the right boot and the left boot. Wait, why is this not in the hierarchy? Where are these guys? Oh, that's Jeez. All right. Let's grab, okay, so let's grab all these surfaces. Reveal selected. Okay, so you've got all those surfaces. Just to make sure, I'm going to control click on this group node and hit P for parent, and that let's see. Okay, so now they're all under that group. Let's repeat that for this guy. Select all those surfaces, control click on this group node, P for parent. Okay, so before I do that, let's select all of these skin, detach skin, and then I'll repeat what I just did. Select all of those, control click there, P for parent. See, I got one more in the group. So, alright, so now all of those things are in those groups. Those groups are parented into the hierarchy, and let's get them out of there. So let's take this left boot, and I'm just going to do Shift P to pull it out of the hierarchy. Now it's at the bottom here. And this right boot, got the group node selected here. Shift P, it's out of the hierarchy. Great. Okay, now let's grab, let's just do them one at a time. So now I'm going to turn on joints so I can select joints. Shift select. So I've got the boot selected. I'm shift selecting knee, ankle, heel, ball. The toe is not really relevant. Skin, smooth bind, options, selected joints, that's important. Let's just use closest distance and see how that does. Bind skin. Okay, and let's just repeat for this other one. So, right boot, I've got joints here. Knee, ankle, heel, ball. And again, selected joints in the options. Okay. So I can turn everything back on here, all objects on, select this thing. It appears to be moving okay with that. Select that one. Appears to be moving okay. And we can just test the roll. And test the roll on this one. Okay, that seems to be working well. I'll go ahead and save this.